gorgeous, quiet, still morning. Here's the loon. So, day 2 of the shingles. Most of the front of the house is done. And they're working on the back today, and they'll get the detached garage as well. So it's the morning of the second day. And as you can see, most of the front side of the house is done. They've got the water side to do next, and they have to get this roof done as well. The garage is basically all done. And this is where they're going to be focused on today. They got a huge tarp covering this side because the shingles were removed last evening, just before sunset. And similarly, have to remove all the shingles from here to get this side. And we come around to this side of the house, and all the new shingles are on. And the shingles are all on here and looking pretty good. Hopefully today they'll get the whole project wrapped up and be out of here. They're wrapping the job up. It's almost done. Be done tonight. That looks so much better. Look at that chimney. Looks really good. So the crew that re-shingled my house got it done in 2 days. It was 66 squares and involved the main house here and a detached garage. They did an awesome job. And just 2 days to get it done. There was a crew of 12. They worked hard and fast, and I had nothing but great things to say about their work, their professionalism, and I'm just overall very happy with the results on the house. They basically removed the shingles on the back side of the house, off the water side of the house on one day, and re-shingled it. And on this side of the house, they put a tarp of it over overnight. And in the morning, they came out on the second day and took the tarp off, took all the shingles off, and were able to re-shingle this house as well as the detached garage and get it all done. Both days they were here about 6:30, and they went till about 7:30, 7:45 at night, both nights. They got it done. The place was spotless when they cleaned up, and basically just a few nails I found since then, but the rest of the place was just immaculate from just cleaned up and like they were never here. So anyways, it was a great roofing project. I'm glad it's over. It was an expensive project to get done, but it needed to get done. Those shingles that were on the house were 26 years old. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure that like button and subscribe to the channel so you get notified of my next video.